Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to use the Video Speed Controller Chrome extension to control video speed on websites like YouTube, Netflix, online courses and more. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Here you will search for Video Speed Controller. Here you will see more. There are lots of extension. You can download the extension which has good ratings. Click on add to Chrome, then add extension. Once the extension is installed, you will see the extension in the top right corner. Now mark it as pin. Now open any video website like YouTube or any other. So I am opening YouTube. Now here you will open a video. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video I will show you how to. Now click on the extension icon. Here you will see minus 0 point means it's slower and plus 01 means it's faster. So we will click on 2, then turn off metered connections for your Wi-Fi network in Windows 11. So let's get started. Firstly go to start. Also you can select it as 0.5. Menu. Here you will type for set. You will see the difference. Settings. Open settings. Press plus to increase speed, plus 01 to increase speed, or minus 01 to decrease speed. Also from the settings you can, here are the keywords like keys, like press S to decrease speed, press D to increase speed, Z for rewind, X for advance, reset period, set marker, or you can add new, then save. And that's it. That's how you can use the Video Speed Controller Chrome extension easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy extension tutorials. Thanks for watching.